Okay, there we go. So, welcome back to my stream. I know I didn't have any streaming from yesterday. It's because I realized that I didn't have enough content for my own personal liking. And so I took the time to download a bunch of games. They're still downloading, but this is one of the new ones. I got The Wolf Among Us. Its reviews were overwhelmingly positive, so I was like, why not? It looks super cool. I like the art style. So I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh, I want to start episode 1. Okay, so we're starting episode 1. Let's see what episode 1 has for us. Okay, this game series adapts to the choices you make. The story is tailored to how you play. Oh, we are so doomed. Everybody's gonna die. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of fairy tale creatures known as Fabletown. The Fables who lived there arrived hundreds of years ago, and they were exiled from their homelands. Through use of magical spells called glamour, they were protected their secret community from the mundane world. Sheriff Biggity Wolf protects them from each other. Okay, this is kind of like Once Upon a Time, but like. Whoa.
105 today again if you missed it. Record for the date. Hottest ever in June. 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
Reminds me of one of those old-fashioned comic strips, like you used to get as a kid. I know that I used to get them because I'm a nerd, but I guess some people in the newer generation of kids don't know what comic strips is, or comic strips are. You should look into them, they're great. It's like a story and a coloring book all at the same time. The Wolf Among Us. Well, his name is Wolf, so is that it, or is it like there's a werewolf that's killing people? I think there was a TV show or a movie based off of whatever the heck this is. Maybe I'll take the time to watch it afterwards. I'm still loving this art style. Like, it's gritty, and I like that. It kind of suits the game style. And it's running great. Oh, there's a frog man! Or toad man.
Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss.
I don't want to be, like... Yeah,
I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm.
Oh, silence is a valid option.
Simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
So what's the farm?
You know
But he's
what I
kind of
mean.
cute.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the
Oh, there's a
stuff
fly.
goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any
we have a
idea
bad
how
moth
much it
problem
costs
here.
to have an entire family in glamour?
I'm just gonna go silence on this one.
It's not even really worth dwelling on at this point. You're telling me to get it together.
Oh, okay, good. He
Whatever
knows
it
my
costs,
silence.
it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
I'll go upstairs.
I should probably go handle this.
Yes, please. Thank you. Furry prick job shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking.
Oh,
again.
little
What did I
baby
say?
toad.
You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Oh, well. Oh, okay. Am I gonna need, like, to do some censoring in my videos?
You're gonna know who I
Oh,
fucking am, you hear me?
You get to walk around? Okay.
Look at me!
Stop, okay? You're drunk. Let go.
Okay, we got matches. Oh, I'm stealing stuff now?
Take a look. Take a...
Oh, there's like a noise in the background of some sort of phone. What do we got? What do we
God
got?
damn you! Know who I am
Whoa,
now,
whoa,
don't
hey,
you?
hey!
You've got something on your face.
Talking about you stupid...
Okay.
I'll kill you! You...
All right.
Okay, I think... Ooh, ooh.
What are you gonna do, huh? Get the out of the way before you get the axe again.
Ooh.
You're drunk, all right? Think this through. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Oh, there's like the push time events or whatever.
You gotta calm down.
We're going to the couch.
Had enough?
Okay. Oh.
At least make this a fucking challenge.
I think I'm gonna have to do some censoring. Oh, chill. Okay. Bookshelf.
Back off, asshole.
Oh, right in his head. I don't think this one. Where's this? Where am I? Oh, Sam. I didn't see him. Oh no, wait. Maybe the sink was a bad choice. At least there were enough like ample time to hit the buttons,
Punishment?
which doesn't really make sense. But hey, it is what it is. Just hit him in the face. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty axe. Oh, no, that one. Yeah, I didn't see Q coming. Oh! You miss one and you're done? Okay. Note to self, you cannot mess up. There's like... Okay. Well, at least the last checkpoint's not that hard. But I guess it is with an axe, so... Okay. Okay, I guess... It wasn't easy, but it wasn't hard either.
You should probably get out of here.
Look,
thought you could
I'm
at least
not
miss
leaving
one.
until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground. You hear me?
Hey, if you can't be nice, I'm gonna make you wait outside.
And shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
You.
Okay.
Shit.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girly.
Knock it off!
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
Are you alright?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Okay, you're a nice lady.
Seriously, I need to know if you're okay.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started
Maybe he has an
beating
ego
on him.
complex?
That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the river. That's who the I am, you.
Hey, what
Okay,
did
so
I say?
he's a fairy
I
tale
said be
character
nice,
living in
or
a
you wait outside.
living in the past. Oh. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if I'm getting up. I struggled to get up from being hit with an axe. I don't know how I'm gonna struggle to get up out of being flung out a window.
Shit.
Oh, did you kill him? Froggy Man!
Hey, Toad.
My car.
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable.
So, how good
How's-
is your insurance?
How's your insurance?
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more than they started. Well, at least you're not dead.
Don't hurt the toad. Don't hurt the toad. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I'm going. I'm going. No.
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you.
Come on.
I'll put you out of your.
Oh, I don't think I'm gonna get through this. I think this is a queue type event I'm supposed to lose.
Come on out of the road.
Oh, that was unexpected. What? Oh, he's still alive? What? He has an axe in his head.
What are you doing?
I'm just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you fucking bitch.
Let me help you.
He's
Yeah,
had
let's
enough.
not
He's a thief.
kill him.
Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Let's not kill him. I don't want to kill him. Even though he's a jerk, but I can't kill him.
Just come on.
I guess I did pick up the matchbook. Oh,
Thanks.
so picking up stuff is useful. You give it to other people along the way. Okay. I should have picked up those other things before I went into the room.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
I love how she's changing the subject. She's like, hey, notice something else.
Thank you.
Notice something other than the fact that I'm a prostitute.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But
Wonder who she
things
is.
change, I guess.
I
'Cause everybody's
guess.
a fairy tale, right? So, like, he's the big bad wolf. Other guy was the woodcutter from Little Red Riding Hood. That's the whole axe in his head kind of thing, and plus he kind of raged on that. So who's she? She has like a little, so it has a kiss on it.
Stop. We
Maybe
don't
she's
have to
one of
make
the
any more of a
princesses?
thing out of it than it already is.
sure?
He's had enough. For
The
tonight,
ribbon is
at least.
purple, has a little kiss on
Wouldn't be
it.
surprised if he has an axe.
She has
to
green
grind.
green eyes. Who would she be?
That wasn't intentional. Sorry.
Bad joke. Bad joke.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
She is a cheap prostitute.
I'll be fine.
Just do
Let's
it.
see, I've got,
Just do it. I don't know how much I have, but
20,
she seems like a nice lady.
58. That's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
You could have
I'm
died.
still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Like, you might
me
not have
back
made
at
it
my
if you
office
weren't
then.
careful.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
Okay.
You should
At
go
least
find
everybody
out.
knows his
You look
address.
like shit. And I don't
That
use
includes
that
all the
term
people
lightly.
that could hurt us.
Some of these look pretty bad.
Oh,
That's
I
gonna leave a mark.
I didn't pick. I didn't pick a choice.
Or maybe not.
I heal really fast, it seems.
Hey. I need to tell you something.
Oh.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Oh, I got some love-ins. Someone likes me. A pretty
see
girl
you
likes me,
around.
guys.
Well,
Pretty girl likes me. Let's see if I can fix this cam a little bit better. It's not focusing very well. There we go. Okay. Pretty girl likes me. Definitely gonna mark this one as like content not made for kids. Okay. Can I skip that intro? Oh. Okay. I can't skip this, so I just gotta keep on going. We get to learn all about who made the thing. Among Us. Art designs. This game actually seems pretty cool so far. I'm invested. Bullfinch Street. Okay, can I? Oh, I can walk. Okay. So that's the little thingy. Is that my apartment? What if I keep going? Can I just keep going? No, I cannot. Assuming I can't just.
Apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
Okay, I'm in luxury apartments that aren't really luxury. Okay, what's this? Stay off the grass. Oh my god, there's a fly. Oh, stay off the
Sometimes
grass.
be a disciplinarian.
There's a door. I'm just going home. Oh. Someone isn't staying off the grass.
Come on out.
Who's that? That looks kind of like
All right.
Red Riding Hood?
Beauty.
Oh, Beauty and the
Hello,
Beast?
Bigby.
So stay off the grass.
I wasn't expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd.
You're out pretty late.
Is there some sort of curfew I don't know about? What's with a third degree? Damn it,
Okay.
I'm late. Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and it would just make my life a lot easier.
Sure.
It's still catchy. Like, I'm gonna remember. I won't tell him, but I'm
Thank you,
gonna
Bigby.
remember.
I'll explain it all to you later. I will, but I have to go.
I'm gonna remember that you came out here.
Thank you for trusting me.
Mhm.
Really,
Mhm.
I appreciate it, Bigby.
I don't know if I should trust you, though. I guess some of the fables, like, they are human, like Beauty or Belle or like Little Red Riding Hood, things like that. They are human, so they wouldn't have to worry about a glamour. But things like Toadman or Beast would have no choice. Oh, I want to see this part. Suit of armor. Touch it. Look at it. I want to touch it. Let me touch it. Oh. Wow, he can sleep through anything. He's supposed to be our security guard.
Hey, you wink?
Clearly not. That was a dumb question.
Probably for the best.
That was a very dumb question, bud. Check my mail.
Been a while since I got any mail.
Do we have any mail?
7th day in a row.
Oh, no one likes you. Okay, okay. Oh, Mr. Blue Maintenance, J. Homer, K. Cole. Oh.
Damn thing fell off again.
Well, then put it back on. No fun. You should just put it back on. Okay, let's go to our room. We're waiting. Wee. Oh, okay. Get back in there before we miss it. Like, is he gonna wake up now?
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife?
Oh,
Have you
that's
seen Beauty?
Beast.
I'm staying out of it.
Out of what?
Whatever it is, Beast. I'm not a marriage counselor.
Damn it.
Oh, that was rude.
Something's
Okay.
going on.
Okay. You avoided his question. Well, yeah. I should have told him. I totally should have told him. I have the regrets. I have regrets. Oh, well, that's you. Your
Damn.
apartment is
Cracked a window.
gross. It's like the grimiest apartment. It's like out of a really bad old-timey snuff film. You walk into this apartment and you're like, oh, bad things have happened here. Bad, dirty things.
What a night.
Can I get some food? Can I grab some chow?
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
Clearly, because you have no food. Is there anything in your freezer? No, of course not. You have ice cubes. Like, are we gonna? You don't even have ice creams. You have nothing. Get some food, dude. Okay. Well, is there anything on your desk? Looks like old
Bluebeard's
Bluebeard.
file.
So he's a pirate. Do we have pirates? Oh, do we have pirates?
Never trusted this guy.
Well, he's a pirate, no duh. Oh, bad takeout? Okay.
Don't even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
It means you were probably drunk. And with all the cigarettes and whatnot. Turn on the fan, because clearly this place needs some airing out. Why do I have a pig on the couch? Why do I have a pig on the couch?
Oh, not again.
3 little pigs?
Hey, Colin. Get up.
That's why you don't remember ordering it, because you didn't. It was
Hey,
a pig.
Big B. I'm in your chair, huh?
Yeah, get out.
Is it one of the like little pigs, like the 3 little pigs? He shares a room with the 3 little pig. Looks like a really disgruntled pigget.
Got a smoke? Thanks.
How does he hold it?
Couple
How does he
thousand
remove
more of
it?
these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Come on, that's a little dramatic.
That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to
Okay,
have
there's a fly
definitely
that's
been
driving
offered
me
a drink, but,
crazy.
it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
Oh, that was crude. That was crude.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
I'm doing my best here.
Clearly that is not true, what with the selfishness with the bourbon. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
Well, no. Oh, crap. I hit the wrong one.
Sure. Silent treatment. I can do the same.
You think my job is easy? You try
Throat's
keeping a
not
bunch
doing
of
good.
fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and...
Well, my friends, that is the conclusion of this episode. It seems like this is going to be a very, like, slow grind to figure things out. But I'm going to enjoy it while it's going. But thank you so much. And if you could give me a like, subscribe/follow. And give me any comments if you want to see more of this one, if you want to see any of the other ones. I'm currently in the process of getting a whole bunch of other games. So there will be more going. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next episode.